Now see, in this question, a question of circle is given, and it is mentioned that a square is inscribed this circle, and square is inscribed in this circle in such a way that sides of the square are parallel to the coordinate axis. So these are two sides of the square which are parallel to x-axis, and these are two sides parallel to y-axis. So equation of these two lines which are parallel to y-axis would be of the type y equal to k, y equal to constant, and the lines, these two sides which are parallel to x-axis, equation would be of the form of x equal to k. Now we are supposed to find then one vertex of the square. These are the four vertices. We are asked, like, when one of these four vertices, what value it could be. So one option to solve this question is we don't solve anything, we just see which choices make sense, which of the choices make sense. And in this case, you see, if I just say these are four vertices a, b, c, d, x coordinate of any of the four vertices cannot be 1, because if x coordinate of center is 1, then obviously x coordinate of a and d would be less than 1, and that of b and c would be more than 1. So clearly we can rule out this choice. Similarly, y coordinate of center is -2, so y coordinate of a and b cannot be -2, it will be less than -2, right? It will be not equal to -2. Similarly, y coordinate of c and d cannot be equal to -2, it will be more than -2 according to this diagram. So we rule out these two possibilities. So finally we are left with none of these. So one way to solve this question is we can eliminate choices, and we'll figure out the right choice by eliminating others. And the other option is we assume this equation of this line is y equals to k1 and apply, radius of this circle is √2, so it means this is √2, and square, this angle is pi by 4. So if this is √2, this is pi by 4, this length is 1. So distance of this line from center 1 comma -2 equals to 1. Using distance formula we get -2 minus k1 mod divide by root of 1 equals to 1, because distance is 1. So it is k1 plus 2 equals to plus minus 1. k1 equals to 1, k1 equals to -3. So equations of two lines parallel to x-axis, y equal to 1 and y equal to -3. Similarly, you can find equation of these two lines. It will come out to be x equal to 0 and x equals to 2. So once we have equations of all the four sides, we can solve these lines with circles. So to check which of the vertices is matching, we'll have to find a, b, c, d. We have to start, like, for example, we can start with y equal to 1. This is y equal to 1. We can solve with circle. We replace y equal to 1 and solve quadratic to get these 2 points. If it matches, then it is fine. If c matches or d matches, it is fine. Then otherwise we solve equation of ab. Equation of ab is y equals to -3. We solve with circle. Again, solve to get coordinates of a and b, right? And we can see which one of them is matching.